Hey, off-road enthusiasts and hard-working utility users, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just looking at another side-by-side, we're looking at a game-changer. This is the CFMOTO UFORCE U10 Pro EPS Highland, and if you think UTVs are all mud, sweat, and open air, this machine is about to change your mind. It brings a level of luxury and all-weather capability that you simply don't expect in this segment. Let's dive in. The big story here is the cab, and specifically, the Highland Edition upgrades. Look inside. This is less UTV, more luxury SUV. You've got a fully enclosed, tightly sealed cabin, which is the foundation for the key feature, a factory-installed HVAC system. That's right, real heat, real air conditioning, keeping you comfortable whether it's -10 or 110 degrees. And sealing that comfort in? Full, automotive-grade doors with electric power windows. No more flimsy nets or half doors, just a solid thunk when you close it, and the convenience of rolling down the glass with a button. This is truly a four-season machine. Powering all this is CFMOTO's potent new engine, a 998 cubic centimeters inline 3-cylinder. This triple-cylinder setup is engineered for smooth, responsive, and quiet operation, putting out around 88 horsepower and 69 lb-ft of torque. It's mated to the OmniDrive CVT with an easy-to-use electronic push-button shifting system, and you get two drive modes, work and normal. This machine is built to handle the big jobs, boasting a serious 2,500-pound towing capacity and a 1,000-pound capacity for the electronic/hydraulic tilting cargo box. Serious grunt for serious work. The tech integration continues inside. Front and center is the 8-inch RideSync touchscreen MMI display, complete with Apple CarPlay integration. That's a feature you typically have to pay thousands extra for on competing brands. You also get electric power steering, a tilt steering wheel, and a host of power outlets, including USB-A and USB-C, all supported by a high-capacity 150-amp charging system to keep that HVAC and your accessories running strong. But a UTV has to perform when the pavement ends. The U10 Pro Highland delivers with 13 inches of ground clearance and a finely tuned suspension offering over 10 inches of travel at both ends. It handles rough terrain with noticeable comfort and stability. Factor in the standard 4,500-pound synthetic rope winch, turf mode for delicate surfaces, and selectable 2WD/4WD/4WD lock, and you have a machine that is as capable on the job site as it is on the trail. So, what's the verdict on the CFMOTO UFORCE U10 Pro Highland? It redefines utility. By delivering a fully enclosed, climate-controlled, tech-savvy cab straight from the factory, CFMOTO is offering a package that its main competitors can only match by tacking on thousands of dollars in options. This machine offers luxury-level comfort with work-ready performance and unmatched value. If you're looking for a comfortable, do-everything UTV that laughs at the weather, the Highland is absolutely a must-see. What do you think of this premium UTV? Drop your comments below. Would you choose the U10 Pro Highland over the competition? Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more in-depth reviews, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the trail.